take a quick look back at the just concluded World Indoor Athletics Championships, where Jamaica won 4 medals, silver in the men's 60 meters dash and triple jump, and bronze in the high jump and mile relay. But my attention is on an event where we did not win a medal, the women's 60 meters dash, where Brianna Liston, 7.05, and Jonelle Smith, 7.06, finished 4th and 5th in the final, respectively. And again, it was great to see Jonelle Smith continuing to impress this season. But even more so, Brianna Liston, who has been out of the national colors for a while. Some even thought at one point that Liston was done running for Jamaica. So not only was she in the colors, she was impressive throughout the rounds and looked in really super shape. Heading into the rest of the season, her arrival as a senior was delayed, but better late than never. That long extension here though, was it clever?